Hi everyone, and welcome to something we haven't done for a while, which is just a quick standalone CNC project. And in this video we're going to be solving another one of those first world problems. You can see here I've got a collection of remotes in the lounge and also a keyboard for the media center on the wall mounted TV, and they're always falling off this little table thing here, and generally not where you need them when you need them. So I think we can do something about that. And I've also got some 10mm oak offcuts from essentially a refurbishment of my bathroom. So we're going to get over to Fusion 360 and see if we can come up with something that can hold all this lot together and keep them all neat and tidy. Okay, straight on with Fusion 360, and as ever we're going to start off with a sketch, and we'll do one of the sides first and extrude that out. Now I could have made these slots here hidden, if you like, for the pieces of wood that are going to go into them, but I was in a bit of a rush, so I didn't. And we can immediately extrude essentially a back and a bottom where the remote controls can stand on, a front to hold those in place. Then we're going to make a small shelf on the inside here by doing a quick sketch there and extrude cutting a couple of slots. And then we're going to do a construction plane halfway along the model. Then we'll mirror this side over to this side, put a small sketch on the back here, extrude our small shelf, and then also extrude a handhold. Then, as I probably need something to hold all the remotes in place, we're going to make essentially insert tray with pockets in there, which we'll 3D print in a minute. A few fillets just to round off these top edges on here, and we're ready to start cutting and 3D printing. So let's head over to the machines. So mostly the tabs have held, apart from that one piece you can see just to the right, my right of the hoover, but the rest of the tabs held, and now we need to free the parts from the oak planks that we cut them out of. So a quick bit of hammering and a chisel, and generally oak tends to chisel, providing you've got sharp tools obviously, quite nicely. And there we go, and we can just take off the rest of the tabs with a chisel there, just to flush them off. Hardly needed any sanding afterwards, this one. And just start to do a bit of a test fit. Now, as some of the pieces of wood also need roundovers in order to fit into essentially the channels and holes that I've cut on the CNC machine, and of course they have corners, we take a 3mm radius routing bit and use a table router just to route some of the edges off, and that also takes the tabs off. Of course, being very careful not to get the fingers anywhere near the blades. And then we can fit that together, and once we've done the front piece as well, then it's just a case of using some tight bond glue and some clamps to clamp that up. Meanwhile, whilst that's setting, we printed off the tray and then took it into the house and put all the keyboard and the remotes on it, and it's come out quite well, and certainly the wife likes it, so that's good news. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.